My teke is stronger. My teke has way more power than any of that.
A tēnei te tahauri atu, tēnei te pōhiri atu, a kia Tiana Griffin.
It's crazy how so many colonial ideologies we just accept as being normal now. And for us, it's about unpacking that conversation and going, well, where do I get that ideology from? Where do I think that having a threesome is gross? That guy on guy is yuck? This is all colonial for karo that we're following, but it's just so integrated. And unfortunately, you know, it's carried on generation to generation. In Hawaii, there were Hawaiian women that would swim out to the ships and have sex with the sailors. You know, from a very Western perspective, as this is prostitution. The wahine from Hawaii saw it as, we're taking your mana. My teke is stronger than any Pākehā ship you have. My teke has way more power than any of that. And so they would come onto the ship as a means of domination.
You know, I rawe ki ai. Kana kōrero, mo te mana. Mo te mana.
Mo te
Mo te teke.